So back in 2018, when we were looking for mainly a CRM system at that point, we had chats with all kinds of different companies, and a lot of them sounded great on the phone, but then when actually they came in for a demo, it wasn't as comprehensive as it sounded. But we had the complete opposite with Dynamo, and actually when you guys came in, we realised that actually we could use it for a lot more than we initially thought we could. And a lot of others looked very complex as well, whereas Dynamo kept it relatively simple, user-friendly, so that everyone from our team could get involved. So at Moorfield Group, the main user is the investor relations team, which is mainly me. Everyone in the whole team, there's 20 of us, uses it to track relationships. If they ever have a meeting notes are added, all of the people they meet are added to it, but I guess investor relations uses it for a broader range of things. So we have the investor portal, and I use it for fundraising tracking, and it's something that we're looking to increase. So I'm really keen for the finance team to start uploading all of their data. So that's something we're going to be exploring in hopefully the next year. Before, we were basically just using spreadsheets, and that's incredibly difficult to keep track of the latest conversations that everyone's had. So we're much more in sync as a team. We know exactly who spoke to whom last, and where we're going and what their intentions are. We've had a lot of very good feedback about the portal. Investors seem to find it really easy to use, a very user-friendly interface. So that's one of the main things, but we used to only fundraise for one investment at a time, and now it seems to be multiple, which again can cause extra complications. But with Dynamo, we've been able to keep our list very separate. We have different kind of fundraising setups for each, and it helps us keep track of everything. The Dynamo team have been incredibly helpful throughout my time using Dynamo for the past 3 years. I didn't originally set it up, so I had lots of questions, and they were incredibly helpful getting me up to speed, fixing things that I wasn't sure about, and making it very easy for me. Dynamo has definitely helped speed up our process of communicating with investors. Before, we were sending out everything manually and including attachments, and that also increases the risk of something going wrong. Whereas Dynamo, we now use the mail merge function. It goes out to however many investors we want, including the correct attachments to the right people, getting the right information to them. It's much more secure and it's much more efficient.